This video, I will discuss you the if, else, and elif statement. This code determines the grade of the student based on their score. So now, getting the score. Score equals float input enter your score. This line asks the user to enter their score. The input open bracket function return a string, which is then converted to the float using float open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Determining the grade. If score greater than 90, grade A. Elif score greater than 80, grade B. Elif score greater than 70, grade C. Elif score greater than 60, grade D. Else grade equal F. So now, this section uses if, elif, else statement to determine the grade based on the score. The conditions are evaluated in order, and the first true condition assigns the corresponding grade. The grade is assigned as follows: A. 90 or above, B. 80 or 89, C. 70 or 79, D. 60 or 69, if below 60. Printing the grade. Print your grade is grade. This line print the determined grade. Example use cases. If the user enter 95, the output will be your grade is A. If the user enter 75, the output will be your grade is C. So now, this is the final output of this code.